Heading: Stress. Definition: stress is a physical and psychological response that occurs when individuals face demands, challenges, or pressures that require adjustment. First point: stress occurs when there is a difference between demands and an individual's ability to cope with them. Second point: in organizational behavior, stress affects employee performance, health, and workplace behavior. Heading: types of stress. Side heading: eustress, positive stress. First point: eustress is a positive form of stress that motivates individuals to perform better. Second point: it helps employees improve focus, creativity, and productivity. Third point: example: pressure to complete an important project within a deadline. Side heading: distress, negative stress. First point: distress is a harmful form of stress that negatively affects physical and mental well-being. Second point: excessive distress can reduce performance and create health problems. Third point: example: continuous workload pressure and workplace conflicts. Side heading: acute stress. First point: acute stress is a short-term stress response caused by immediate challenges or situations. Second point: it usually disappears after the stressful situation is resolved. Third point: example: stress before an interview, presentation, or examination. Side heading: chronic stress. First point: chronic stress is long-term stress that continues for an extended period. Second point: it can negatively affect health, motivation, and job performance. Third point: example: continuous job insecurity or excessive workload. Side heading: individual stress. First point: individual stress occurs due to personal problems, responsibilities, or internal pressures. Second point: factors such as financial issues, health problems, and personal conflicts can create individual stress. Side heading: organizational stress. First point: organizational stress is caused by workplace-related factors. Second point: examples include workload, role conflict, poor leadership, and lack of job security. Side heading: psychological stress. First point: psychological stress affects emotions, thoughts, and mental well-being. Second point: it may cause anxiety, frustration, and difficulty in concentration. Side heading: physical stress. First point: physical stress affects the body's normal functioning. Second point: it may lead to fatigue, headaches, sleep problems, and other health issues.